Now, with the power of AI, you can convert two-dimensional photos into three-dimensional ones. Alpha 3D is an AI-powered generative platform that allows anyone, regardless of their 3D modeling knowledge, to automatically translate text messages or 2D images of real-world objects into assets in minutes. 3D digital conversion. Augmented reality, XR, is becoming more and more popular with consumers, and innovative brands are meeting their customers where they are immersive environments. As these immersive environments are built piece by piece with 3D models, the demand for 3D content has reached a new high. However, in reality, this is a very laborious, expensive, and time-consuming process. Creating a digital asset can take weeks and thousands of dollars for an entire team. This is a major bottleneck facing XR platforms today, significantly slowing down workflows and thus hindering scalability when creating 3D assets. Alpha 3D addresses exactly this pain point with its generative AI platform that transforms 2D images or text messages into 3D assets at scale, 10x cheaper and 100x faster than traditional 3D modeling.